Very good morning, my dear children. Welcome to Moral Science online class. And as we know that our course is complete, so from today onward, we will do a revision class. So your moral science exam is objective type. So we will practice some questions related to your book exercise and which comes in annual exam also. Okay, so come to questions. These are the objective type questions. Our first question is, when do you sing the national anthem? When do we sing the national anthem? So, when do we sing? On Diwali? No. On Holi? No. On Republic Day? Yes. On Republic Day. And fourth is on New Year. So, on Republic Day, we will sing national anthem. We sung national anthem at Republic Day and Independence Day. Okay. Now, come to next question. On which date we celebrate Independence Day? So, we have four options. 3rd January, B. 15 August, C. 26 January and D. 26 August. So the correct answer is 15 August. It's called as Independence Day. Okay. So the correct one is B, option B. Then next, on which day we celebrate, on which date we celebrate Republic Day? So here also four options there. 26 January, 2nd October, 14th May and 15 August. So the correct answer is 26 January. 26 January is called Republic Day. Okay. Then next question is, how many colors are there in our national flag? So, how many colors are there? Option A, 13. Option B, 5. Option C, 3. And option D, 7. So, the correct answer is option C, 3. 3 colors are there in our national flag. First is saffron, then white and then green. 3 most important colors are there in our national flag. That's why we also called Tiranga, right? Because 3 colors is there. Now come to next question. When the national anthem is sung, we have to, जब national anthem हम गाते हैं या कोई भी गाता है तो सुनते हैं या गाते हैं तो हमको किस पोजीशन पे होना चाहिए? So 4 option is there. We sit, we have to sit, we have to sleep, we have to run or we have to stand. So we have to stand. We have to stand in attention position. Right? The option D is the correct answer. Then next question. What are other Indians to you? Option A, countrymen. Option B, neighbor. Option C, family. And option D, none of these. If we are Indian, then other Indian we call our countrymen. The correct answer is countrymen. Right? They are our countrymen. Then the last one. Tree give us dash. First is water. No. Second is land. No. C, food. And D, knowledge. So tree give us water. No, because tree needed water. Land, we already have land. Knowledge, no, tree has no brain, so obviously they not give us knowledge. So the correct answer is the tree give us food. Right? Hope you understood this question. Write it in your practice copy, revision copy of moral science. Note down the question and revise it. Learn thoroughly. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.